Hi everyone, Quakertown after the snow video. Again, it is Monday, January 26th. Yesterday on Sunday, January 25th, we had an all-day snowstorm that gave us to about 6 inches to a foot of snow. And I just got done putting some gas in the car and got some things at the giant grocery store. And right now we're going to do a quick drive around some various parts of Quakertown before I head in back to my apartment and celebrate for the day. So far, but what I've been seeing is roads are plowed good. There's some melting, but not a lot. But the temperatures are cold, so there's going to be a lot of ice on the roads yet. Especially in areas that are not driven that much. 309, who knows what that's like. So anybody who, just out of curiosity, if anybody has driven between Quakertown and Sounderton on 309, let me know what the conditions are like on that hill. That is a big hill, you have to go down and up. And sometimes it used to be they didn't plow that good, but I don't know whether now or now. This guy is this. And I thought he was going to go. Nope, he's going to turn this way. I was going to pull over to let this guy who was driving a little bit too fast get around me because I know he was going to turn at that place. Now, the 3 rules to remember when you're driving in weather like this, simple and easy. It's 1, reduce your speed. 2, maintain a good distance from the car ahead of you. And 3, when you're approaching a stop sign or a stop and go light, if the thing turns yellow, slow down, stop early. 3 plows. And this should not be. Should go without saying, stay off your phone. Pay attention to the road. Do those 3 things, you'll be okay. And even if you have an SUV or a 4x4 or whatever, you gotta remember, it doesn't matter what type of vehicle you have rubber tires, you have icy roads, you will eventually slip inside if you don't watch it. Going past our famous Quakertown Farmers Market. Roads are, let's say, on a grade of 1 to 5. I will give these roads 3. Yeah, I see. Oh, I see they're plowing out the farmer's market right now. People are shoveling out their driveways. to know with people who do have driveways, it is annoying that shovel out your driveways and then plows come by and with the street plow and they'll plow your driveway in. But whatever you do not throw your snow out onto the road just to get revenge of the people plowing. Because all you're going to do is you're going to put the people driving in danger of hitting your snow bank that you created and losing control or something. Just don't do it. KYW.
Predict an official government account. President Trump telling.
Nope. I don't want political news on this. Intersection gives us a 2 out of 5. Here's a good example coming up ahead. You just got done plowing these roads, and I know that people are shoveling out the car, but don't toss your snow onto the road. Now we're in downtown Quakertown. There's areas where it's not really that good, but then there's areas that like this is. Careful in this area. Oh, this reminds me so much when I grew up in Wisconsin. We used to have months where it looked like this all for 2 months straight. It looked like this. Downtown Quakertown, where we have a newly refurbished laundromat, our wonderful Dominic's, frozen via ice, new Napa Park store, Doghouse Gaming, Moyer Shoes, Beer City, Sunoco, To Die For Salon and Spa. Now coming up here on the left is a place called Quakertown Gold and Coin Buyers. They are good. They offer you very good prices. Highly recommend them. The roads are not bad. This is with 313 going into Quakertown. You can see I would give these roads about 4 out of 5 stars. Not bad, but I still would not drive. I would still not drive at speed. I would go slower. Next street goes down to all the ice and snow we got snow and ice and sleet we got last night. Actually did pretty good. Shoveling, this guy's gonna wait for me. Yes, he is. Spam callers. Good job plowing out up church. My beautiful church, old little church, the Emmanuel Episcopalian Church in Quakertown, located between 9th and 10th Street. And here they're on South Main Street between 9th and 10th. Nice little beautiful congregation, beautiful little church.
You cannot go from here. No, don't go.
Oh, that's not, ooh, not good. One of my neighbors, I know the cars. Look, I got nice neighbors. Well, I am back to my apartment, to Quakertown West. Don't ask. And you have to be out today, be careful, stay safe. Remember, drive slow, keep your distance from the car ahead of you, brake early, stay off your phone. Well, take it easy, this is the end of video 2. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, comment, you know that. YouTube bullshit. Hey, bye.